Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Yanti Sugiharti. I'm from class management B. Here I will presentation about the business, namely the food business. One of the food business is melted brownies. Melted brownies as an attraction for increasing energy because it has a nutritious and filling content. Background: One of the culinary business in the form of cakes that are in great demand, because humans want it to be simple and efficient, so they prefer to buy this food, and it is also very suitable as a snack. 2. Has a nutritious and filling content, because the ingredients used are rich in nutrition and protein, such as eggs and cheese classified as one of the nutritious and food ingredients. 3. Much in demand also in events or activities, because processed brownies can last approximately 2 to 3 days. In addition, because it tastes good, has a soft texture, and also has a unique appearance, so many enthusiasts. 4. Can be consumed by all, such as adults, children, and adults can, so that most people from all walks of life like these melted brownies. 5. The price offered can also be affordable by the public, because for the price start from 10,000 Indonesia rupiah. Business profile. Business name Pawona Nyonya. Founder name Yanti Sugiharti. Location at home and media social. Engaged in food melted brownies. Instagram Pawona Nyonya. Business vision and mission. Vision: make it a business opportunity to practice skill. Mission: 1. Improve the quality of taste and service that is different from others. 2. Developing a bigger business. 3. Creating jobs. Business purpose: 1. Aiding experience and knowledge of entrepreneurship. 2. Opening job opportunities in the community. 3. Inviting people to live healthy with the products we sell. 4. Be more creative and innovative in entrepreneurship. 5. Earn profit and income from established business. Marketing target. In making this business, the target consumers are all people in the community, consumers who are children, teenagers, adults, and consumers who have events or activities. Because the price for brownies is quite cheap, and the taste in a shape by a mouse or circle. Marketing strategy. Promotion carried out in this business are through word of mouth and also online through social media. That is from one person, or can be marketed from stall to shop. Then in using social media such as WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Shopee. Besides that, in this business, I also use a pre-order system, which is to order in advance with the estimate. The time has been informed until the product stock is available. Benefit: 1. As a healthy food to eat and easy to us as a provision when hungry. 2. This business can be used as experience in doing business. 3. help speed up the return of a good mood. SWOT analysis. Strength. The price of melted brownies is forget readily. Weakness. Factors that increase the price of basic necessities affect the selling price. Opportunity. It is often used as a snack and it tastes good, so it is in great demand. Threats. In this business, the product is easy to imitate and competitors will sell at a lower price. Business overview. Production plan. 200 cups per month. 100 box hampers per month. Production plans. Homemade. Product. Apart from the cup, I also sell it in box hampers. This is a sample cup and this is in sample box hampers. The topping in melted brownies include chocolate, cheese, Oreo, taro, matcha, and choco chips topping. Recorded tools. Tools knife total 1, mixer totals 1, stove totals 1, LPG 3 kg totals 1. Unit price 20,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 20,000 Indonesia rupiah. Pot total 1, basin totals 1, cup totals 4 pack. Unit price 20,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 80,000 Indonesia rupiah. Box hampers totals 100 pieces. Unit price 2,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 200,000 Indonesia rupiah. Plastic 4 pack. Unit price 12,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 48,000 Indonesia rupiah. So total 348,000 Indonesia rupiah. Niki seri materials. Toll wet flour total 1 kilogram. Unit price 10,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 10,000 Indonesia rupiah. Cornstarch total 150 gram. Unit price 12,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 12,000 Indonesia rupiah. Egg total 1 kilogram. Unit price 25,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 25,000 Indonesia rupiah. Sugar total 1 kilogram. Unit price 12,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 12,000 Indonesia rupiah. Chocolate bar di sisi 5 wrap. Unit price 11,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 55,000 Indonesia rupiah. Oil a half kilogram. Unit price 10,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 10,000 Indonesia rupiah. Margarin 1 wrap. Unit price 7,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 7,000 Indonesia rupiah. SP 4 wrap. Unit price 8,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 32,000 Indonesia rupiah. Baking powder 4 pack. Unit price 8,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 32,000 Indonesia rupiah. Cheese topping 5 wrap. Unit price 15,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 75,000 Indonesia rupiah. Chocolate topping 5 wrap. Unit price 11,000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 55.000 Indonesia rupiah. Matcha topping 5 wrap unit price 11.000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 55.000 Indonesia rupiah. Oreo topping 5 wrap unit price 10.000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 50.000 Indonesia rupiah. Taro topping 5 wrap unit price 11.000 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 55.000 Indonesia rupiah. Choco chips topping 3 wrap unit price 500 Indonesia rupiah. Total price 15.000 Indonesia rupiah. So, total 500.000 Indonesia rupiah. Profit. The selling price for S cup is 10.000 Indonesia rupiah and for S box of hampers 15.000 Indonesia rupiah for 10 pieces, so it is estimated to be able to sell 200 cups per month and 100 box hampers per month. 10.000 Indonesia rupiah times 200 cups is 2 million Indonesia rupiah. In 15.000 Indonesia rupiah times 100 box hamper is 1.500.000 Indonesia rupiah. Total 2 million Indonesia rupiah plus 1.500.000 Indonesia rupiah is 3.500.000 Indonesia rupiah. Net profit 3.500.000 Indonesia rupiah minus 848,000 Indonesia rupiah. 2.652.000. So the profit per month earned is 2.652.000 Indonesia rupiah. In conclusion, I made a melted brownies business in which the brownies were packaging in a cup and some in a hampers box. The price for the cup is 10.000 Indonesia rupiah and the price for the box hampers is 15.000 Indonesia rupiah for 10 pieces. Maybe that's my presentation more or less sorry. Thank you.